I'm here cleaning my ears, and show me what comes out of the ears. He took some stuff out of my ears and he says it's shampoo. It's hard to believe.
What?
Only in India, only in New Delhi, India. Street ear cleaner. Huh? Yeah, now I can hear better.
यहाँ पर मशीन से पैसे देगा यार ये.
Okay, no. I'll pay. How much is it? How much is it?
You give anything.
I'll pay you. But you got to be patient. You know what? Huh? So, what just happened? Just tell me what happened to my ears. What happened?
This is shampoo, shower.
When I shower?
Yes.
Yeah?
Inside dirty, shampoo like this.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
How old?
oh, me? 50.
Never cleaning.
Yeah.
You sell. This is footies. You sell.
Yeah.
This one you sell.
Yeah.
Inside dirty.
You push it in.
Yeah.
You push it.
Inside dirty. No take out.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is very loose.
Yeah.
You have is loose. Earbud. Yeah. My job is my family job. This inside dirty I take out.
So my ears is clean now.
Yes. Very good. Your ear is very nice. Good ear. You have children?
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
You looking first time cleaning?
Yes, like that.
Yes.
Because I clean my ears all the time with Q-tips.
You sell inside dirty.
Okay, so by cleaning myself, I'm pushing it in.
Yeah, you shower after it's clean. Morning time shower after clean. It's much better. Okay.
All right. And we got to. Oh man. So what? How much it costs for
You
this
give
survey?
anything. You are happy, I like happy. You give as you like.
I don't have any money with me.
No problem.
So I'm getting my sneakers clean on the streets in New Delhi. The guy.
Hello guys.
Yes. I only have one pair of sneakers. There are 3 of them. Huh?
This is an interesting encounter with the street shoe cleaner. At first he told me that it's $300 to clean my sneakers. I said no, I don't have any money, which was true because I don't walk with cash. Anyway, he said okay, he'll take it. He started to clean the shoes. Spent a lot of time cleaning actually, but as you will see in the end, he upgraded the cleaning to include new rubber sole. They took out my original sole and he put a piece underneath mine and glued it in and insert my original sole into it. And I must say it felt real comfortable after he fitted me again with fitted my sneakers again. Felt real comfortable. Then all of a sudden it went from 300 to 1500. So I'm like, what the hell are you talking about? You told me 300 and I told you I didn't have any money, and I gave you $50 and I gave you 50, and you took it. You said it was okay. Now you're charging me 1500. Yeah, blah blah. He talking in his language. I don't know what the hell he's saying. But anyway, he insisted on 1500. But you know, I'm thinking about it and I say, oh, all right, okay, you know what? Let me pay him. So I did end up paying him his 1500 rupees for the cleaning. He put a lot of effort in it, I must say. But he should have told me up front that look, when I put a new insole in it, you know, it's gonna cost more and you're gonna feel more comfortable. You know, you should give me that pitch. He didn't. He just dropped it in and boom. Yeah, but I did end up paying him, and he did a good job, I must say. Was this a scam? I wouldn't say it's a scam because I get the service. He just didn't tell me. So by virtue of him not telling me, it's right on the gray area there. You could say he scammed me into paying more, which I would agree, you know. But yeah, you be the judge. Tell me what you think. All right, watch to the end, and you'll see how this ends.
Okay. Yep.
I know shoes. Wow. I'll go get it. A good comfortable? Comfortable?
Yeah. Comfortable.
Yeah, and extra tall.
Yeah.
And a walking time, not problem.
Yeah.
हाँ नेची बोलेगा मेरे नेची ये नेची रहता है ये ना नेची क्या करें डेढ़ नेची रहती क्या करें 9:30 का 9:30 यार बैठ गए कहते मेरा बाप रोड है तू कहते मेरा बाप रोड है क्या करें क्या करें चलो
Huh?
Take it. Take it. Take it. आप गल्ला मार
That's it?
Solve one.
Awesome.
Yeah.
My shoes look brand new now.
Yeah.
Look brand new. Thank you. I give you a bonus.
Install extra charge.
I'm giving you a bonus.
No, extra install.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Take it.
Extra charge.
Huh?
Extra charge.
You mean more?
Yeah. Total 2,500.
How much is that?
Yeah.
How much is that? This is
1,500. Yeah. Info, extra charge.
extra charge.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that. Eh? I only have 100.
Yeah, 100.
Yeah.
Total 1,500.
No, you should tell me that. I told you I only have 50. It took 50. I know you're charging me 1,500. That's not fair. No. I don't have no more money. Here.
Yeah, American dollar.
No, I don't have American dollars.
I cannot cross it.
Here. I don't have it. No. You see, he jack up the price on me all of a sudden, and I don't have any more money to pay him, right? So he have to take what I have to give him. All right, let me see how this work out.